Here's how to download and play CrossFire Legends on your PC or laptop using LD Player. CrossFire Legends is a mobile game, so you need an Android emulator to run it on a computer. LD Player is the best option. It is free, lightweight, and has built-in keyboard and mouse mapping for mobile games. Open your browser and search for LD Player. Go to ldplayer.net and click the download button. Run the installer once downloaded, agree to the terms, and click Install. Wait for LD Player to finish setting up and launch automatically. Once inside, open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account. In the search bar, type CrossFire Legends and select the correct result. Click Install from Google Play and wait for the download to finish. Once installed, you will see the CrossFire Legends icon on your LD Player home screen. Click it to launch the game and sign in with your existing account or create a new one. LD Player's key mapping tools let you assign keyboard buttons to all in-game controls, which makes playing a mobile shooter on PC significantly more comfortable than touchscreen controls. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.